अवॉइड दीज मिस्टेक्स। कल फिजिक्स के पेपर में ये गलतियां मत करना। These are some of the important things, some of the important checklist point which you need to remember, जो आपको याद रखनी है। अगर आप इन्हें भूले तो I don't know what can happen, but अगर आपने इनको याद रखा so I'm definitely sure कि आपका पेपर बेस्टेस्ट पॉसिबल वे में अच्छा जाएगा। तो कुछ बातों को जो आपको याद रखनी है वो मैं आपके सामने अभी पेश करता हूँ। सबसे पहले क्या करना है, पहली चीज़ है वो है आपका रिवीजन कंप्लीट होना चाहिए। अगर आप आज रिवीजन नहीं करोगे, आपने अभी तक आज रिवीजन नहीं किया है और ना ही आपने सुबह उठ के कुछ रिवाइज किया है, तो आप 20% पेपर में दुविधा में पड़ सकते हो। आप प्लीज, humble request from my heart, a humble request to you is to please revise the full syllabus, or at least that part of syllabus in which you are confident, which you know, which you are perfect. Please revise. Revision is the must and the must thing which you need to do. सेकेंड थिंग मैं आपसे जो बोल रहा हूँ, जो आप नहीं करोगे, वो है टू टेक अ गुड स्लीप। यू नीड अ गुड स्लीप, क्योंकि मैं खुद पिछले 2 दिनों से आपके साथ इस पूरे काम में हूँ, लगा हुआ हूँ। मैं खुद अगर मैं नहीं सोऊंगा तो हाउ आई कैन हेल्प यू। तो सो द सेम थिंग इज दैट अगर आप लोग भी नहीं सोएंगे, इफ यू विल नॉट टेक अ proper rest, then you can't memorize, then you can't recall all the things. So just you need is that a good rest. आपको एक अच्छा सा रेस्ट चाहिए जिससे आप अच्छे से कर पाओगे। सो इफ यू स्लीप टुडे एट 11 then you have to wake up at 6. You need to 6 to 7 hours of sleep is must for you all. And another thing, मैंने आप पिछली तीनों वीडियो में, in the last 3 video I have said to you that only revise means only study up to 9:30 a.m. in the morning. Do not even dare to touch the book after 9:30, as it can lead to a mental catastrophe in your brain. क्योंकि आपके दिमाग में रहेगा कि मैंने नहीं पढ़ा, और पढ़ना है। वैसे बहुत लोगों सबका तरीका, everyone has their own perspective, their own methods to study, but according to me this method is suitable for all, because the thing, you have studied whole year, you have even studied this whole week also, and you are studying today, you will study tomorrow morning also, but after 9:30 please close the book, close everything, all the notes, all the copies, all the question banks, everything, all the 10 years, close everything. Just be calm, stay all right, sit upright, and go to your school, go to your examination center, and just boom out the paper. Now another thing is that utilizing 15 minutes, the 15 minutes which you are given for your reading time, you have to utilize it. First of all, how you can utilize that? So I have given you a blueprint for section B. I know most of you all will just open up the paper, open the seal, and just rush on to section B to check if the bhaiya has means whatever they have told, has it come or not. And if it comes, and definitely it will come, then your mind will be rejoiceful, your overall paper will boost up by 20%, you will gain a good confidence. And even if it doesn't come, because I'm saying 99% it will come, because ICSE follows the pattern. If they will not follow, then it will be not for everyone. So I'm just saying to you is that be positive, the paper will be the same way which I told you in my all the previous video. Do not be hopeless, do not overthink, just believe on yourself, believe on me, believe on the God, and everyone will succeed in their examinations. So you have to utilize your 15 minutes, check out all the questions in section B, mark all the questions which you will need to do. You have to utilize those 15 minutes to mark out all the 4 questions which you will be doing. All the 4 questions you have to choose, and then you have to straight away go on to the MCQ portion and you have to start solving MCQs. Even you can also mark in a question paper, where I know it is not permissible to write on the question paper, but you can mark a small dot on a question paper in front of the answer, so that you can just get plenty of time. Is 5 minutes time is necessary for finding the questions, means for finalizing the 4 questions which are there in section B to attempt, and then you are remaining with the 10 questions, because physics questions, they are most of all MCQs are theory based only, so you will just need 10 minutes and you can solve all the 15 MCQs. So your majority of the time will be saved. Your paper can be completed in 1 hour, 40 minutes, 20 minutes will be there for rechecking. Another thing is that read question properly. Please, a humble request again. Please, you have to read the question properly. Each and every question, read it twice or thrice. If you have time, read the question, the question where you are struggling, or all the application, or the, you can say, competency questions wherever they are coming. Just read them twice and thrice. Please understand, and then recall which type of concept is being used here, which concept is being applied here. Everything will come from the books, the notes, and the things which you have studied, which the questions which you have practiced. If you have practiced the CFQs, then definitely you are just 80% above than every student. This video I'm recording in English because most of the people, ICSE students, are also in the south part of the India where they can't understand the Hindi language. So I made this video solely in English so that everyone can understand and everyone can take benefit from it. So please recall, please keep in mind all these points. And now, another thing which I am saying to you is that when you have completed your paper, please recheck it. Recheck it twice, thrice. If you have time, please recheck it. And first of all, be calm. Be calm. Everything will be perfect. It's your venture of the whole year. You have practiced the whole year. आपने पूरे साल भर पढ़ा है. You have taken all the thing. If you have studied the whole year, you will get good marks. If you have not studied, I know you will not get a very excellent marks, but you can get good marks. You follow my pattern, you follow your teacher's rule, everything you follow, and then it will be a great thing for you all. So these are the mistakes which you need to avoid. More thing, this also includes the checklist. Some of the checklists which you should follow is that in the fourth chapter, once again I'm saying fourth chapter, please see the meter scale question. Meter scale question you have to see in the fourth chapter. In work, power, energy, I'm saying please I'm saying check out the kinetic energy and potential energy and total energy concept. Check out their question, check out this law of conservation of energy. It's very important. Please check it out. Now it's completed. Now in the machines chapter, I have said plenty of time. In machines chapter, check out the block and tackle system. Block and tackle system you have to check out along with the lever portion. Lever portion is very important, that to be with human body, means how human body can be implied in all, how all the three levers are there in human body. You have to study it, please. Then I'm saying, after I'm taking the chapter sound chapter, I've said 5 to 6 times I've said prepare resonance. Please prepare resonance. That will be very helpful for you, very handy for you. Resonance, and prepare the echo formula and prepare, also solve the numerical on it. Please, it's very serious and very important. Please study the sound chapter at utmost importance. Utmost importantly, you study the sound chapter, and the machines chapter also study at utmost importance. Because if the system failed, means if the question paper is all right, if it's in the best possible way, 8 marks from the sound and approximately 7 to 8 marks from the machines portion will definitely give you 15 plus marks here from these two chapters. Then I'm saying you, the chapter is calorimetry. In calorimetry, please revise all the concept. I have uploaded a one short video for calorimetry also. Please check it out. If you have studied, then that's okay. If you haven't studied, if you don't have any proper confidence, then you can watch that one short video. Please, it will be very helpful for you. You have to study the graphical representation. You have to study along with the specific heat capacity and the specific latent heat. You have to study, and their numerical also. Please, that will be very helpful. 8 marks again from this chapter, the single weightage chapter it is. Then you have the radioactivity portion. Radioactivity, you have to study everything, means you don't have to study everything, but you have to study only the nuclear fusion, the alpha, beta, gamma particle, and the isotope thing which is there. Only these you can study. It can, from the radioactivity chapter, the question can come in application based question. So 5 marks can come from radioactivity also. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 chapters, you can say they are the single based chapters, means they are not interrelated with anyone. Fourth itself will give you a question from meter scale, some question from this, like 5 marks will come from this. From work, power, energy, you are having I have predicted 7 marks from section B and 1 marks, so means 8 marks from here also, where you can count 8, it's 24, and 8, 32 and 42 marks question paper is guaranteed from here. Maybe it can come in section A, it will be compulsory, but in section B it's an optional. So 42 marks question paper is guaranteed from these 6 chapters. And the next 6 chapters, which are the different base, is that One chapter is electromagnetism. Electromagnetism, I have said in my section B analysis video, in my physics blueprint for section B. The electromagnetism will club with the chapters radioactivity and I think household or current chapter. So electromagnetism, you have to study the Fleming's right hand rule, Fleming's left hand rule, Lenz's law, electromagnetic induction, Faraday law, and transformer. That's it. That will be very, very helpful for you. And also the thumb rule is also very, very important. The current direction and the direction of magnetic field, very, very important chapter. Electromagnetism will also help you. It is most electromagnetism, I am saying that it's not very much important in section because it is coming in an optional. Only 3 marks question will come from electromagnetism. The main thing is that electromagnetism will hold its weightage in section A. Maybe 4 to 5 marks compulsory question can come from section A in electromagnetism. So please study about AC generator and DC motor. Please study about them, and transform is also at most important. So you can see 8 marks again from this, and I'll also write 4 to 5 marks are compulsory in section A. Then after this, again I'm saying to you is that then we are having the light full unit. Light full unit, it will give you 13 marks is compulsory from light full unit. 3 marks question is from Lenz's formula, which is 1 upon F is equals to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. It is very, very important you have to study this formula, because this formula will come along with clubbing with the chapters of calorimetry. The 2 questions which will come from calorimetry will club with this Lenz's formula question in section B. It's very important. Light is very, very important. You have to study light chapter full unit. The checklist for light is, I can say that study total internal reflection. It is very, very important. Study real and apparent depth. Study the refractive index of any medium, about the refractive index, and also study about the prism concept. Prism is very important, and you have to also study about lens. Means everything you have to study from here. There is no shortcut for light unit. Now, after this is completed, now we are having the two chapters more, that is the current electricity and the household circuits. I just give you a bet. I'm giving you that study household chapter at most important, because household will carry more weightage than current. That is pretty damn sure. Household, please, I request to study household chapter. Household, study everything, means earthing, live wire, neutral wire, and about the electrical power. Electrical power is very, very important concept, along with the fuse concept, the current rating, the power rating, the voltage. These are very, very important. Step up transformer, step down transformer, please study that. And in the current, everything is important, especially the Ohm's law and ohmic conductor and non-ohmic conductor. Ohm's law, ohmic conductor means those obey Ohm's law, non-ohmic conductor which don't obey Ohm's law. Please study all these things. This was your checklist. You can take a screenshot of it. It's very, very important. Please, a humble request, study all these chapters, and you will just be bewildered by seeing your score, that you scored this much high marks. Definitely, if you have studied from starting, if you have made a good preparation and followed everything which I say to you, you can definitely score a 95 plus in physics. And if God forbid, if you haven't studied that much, if you are not confident, then also means if you haven't studied much, then also 80 plus out of 100 is guaranteed from this paper. Just study it, just blast the paper tomorrow, and then tell me how was the paper. I will also upload a final all the best and a best of luck video for you all in the morning. Please do check it out also. And that's it. If you want any more, if you want any other guidance, any other help, please comment down below. This is the most important video, and the topic is avoid these mistakes, and this is the final checklist. That's it. This is Shubham Singh Pune signing off. Thank you very much. All the very best for examinations. Keep studying, stay safe, stay healthy, stay hydrated, take rest, stay calm. Thank you very much.